Good morning, Junior 6. Today we are going to take what's called area of circle. Here is the circle. This line is called diameter. It is divided into two radii. So we can say diameter equal 2 times radius, or radius equal half the diameter. It will be diameter divided 2. We took in Junior 5 what's called circumference, which means the outline of the circle. The rule was circumference equal 2 pi r, and here is the magic triangle. Pi is a constant number, and the radius, if I want to calculate it, it will be circumference over 2 pi. This year we are going to take what's called area of circle. Area means if I have a circular table and I want to cover its surface with a sheet of glass, so I have to calculate its surface area. So the rule will be pi r square. Pi, we said before, it's a constant mathematical variable. So here will be pi r square, or pi times radius times radius. It's completely different to say 7 times 7 and 7 times 2. 7 times 7 is 49, but 7 times 2 is 14. So r square means r times r. Here we have some problems. The first one, if I have a circle of radius 7 centimeter, find its surface area. And here the pi is given 22 over 7, or 3.14. So we are going to write area equal pi r square, the rule first. Then area equal 22 over 7 times 7 times 7, or times 7 power 2, and you can calculate it. It will be 154 centimeter square. And here we have number 2, a circle of diameter 12 centimeter, find its surface area. Never use the diameter. We have to calculate the radius. We said that the radius is half the diameter. It will be divided 2. Here it will be 6 centimeter. The rule first, pi r square. It will be 22 over 7 times 6 power 2. It will be 113.04 centimeter square. Number 3, if you have the circumference is 44 centimeter and I want the surface area and the pi is given. So I have to calculate the radius from the circumference. We said the magic triangle will be circumference 2 pi r. I want the radius, I'm going to hide it. It will be circumference over 2 pi. It will be 44 over 2 times 22 over 7, the pi. Here the radius will be 7 centimeter, and then you can calculate the area, pi r square. It will be 22 over 7 times 7 squared. The answer will be 154 centimeter square. Number 4, if I have a circle, its radius 3.5 centimeter, it is divided into 4 parts, or 4 circular sectors. Calculate the surface area of one sector. Here I have a circle, and I have to calculate the surface area of only one sector. So I have to calculate the area of the whole circle first, pi r square. Pi is always given 22 over 7 times the radius is given 3.5 squared. So the answer will be 38.5 centimeters squared. This is the area of the whole circle. I want the area of one circular sector, so I have to divide it by 4. The answer will be 9.625 centimeters squared. Okay. Today we are going to take the last lesson in Unit 1. It's called numerical pattern. Here we have 6, became 14, 22, 30, 38. Each time I added 8. So this will be 46, add 8, 54, add 8. It will be 62. Then 1 over 2, 1 over 4, 1 over 8, 1 over 16. I can either multiply by half or the numerator is constant. And what about the denominator? I multiplied each time by 2. So this will be 32, 64, 128. Here, 2, 3, 5. The sequence here is, if I add 2 plus 3, the answer will be 5. 3 plus 5, the answer will be 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 8, 21 plus 13, 34. Plus 21, it will be 55. Here, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. It means that here 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared will be 36, 7 squared 49, 8 squared 64. Here I have 4, 7, I added 3, it will be 10, 16 plus 3, 19 plus 3, 22. 0.5, 1, I'm going to add 0.5, it will be 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5.